How to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. The first things first is access your preferred web browser and then head over to Roblox official website and then log in to your account. Now, I was actually done my research, and if you go ahead and click on my friends see all right here, this is where you will see your friends, your followers, and then as someone that follows you and a friend request that has been sent. These will all the pending friends request will show. Now, if you head over to your profile, there is actually no such feature like um, for you to be able to see who viewed your profile. Now, they really need to send you a friend request for you to be able to show all those activities under friends list. So as of 2024, Roblox doesn't have any feature of you be able to see if someone visited or viewed your profile.